In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Copilot icon missing in apps. If the Copilot icon has suddenly disappeared and you're not seeing it where you expect it inside your apps, don't worry. This is usually something you can fix in just a few moments through Windows settings. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a simple repair method that can help restore the app properly without making things overly complicated. To begin, press the Windows key on your keyboard. This will open the Start menu or search area depending on your version of Windows. It's the quickest way to get directly to the setting we need, so once that menu appears, you're ready for the next step. Now type Copilot into the search bar. As you type, Windows should start showing search results automatically. Look for the Microsoft Copilot app in the results. You want to access its settings page from here, because that's where Windows gives you built-in options to troubleshoot and repair the app. Once you see the result, click App Settings. This will open a dedicated settings page for Microsoft Copilot. If it takes a moment to appear, that's completely normal. Some systems may need a few seconds to load the page fully, especially if Windows is still fetching app information in the background. Wait until it's done loading before clicking anything else. This is important because if the page hasn't finished loading, some options may not appear right away. Giving it a moment helps you avoid missing the section you need. After the settings page is fully open, scroll down until you find the Reset section. This area includes tools that Windows uses to fix app-related issues. Even though the section is called Reset, we're not immediately resetting anything. Instead, we're using the gentler option first, which is usually the best place to start when an app feature or icon is missing. In the Reset section, click Repair. This tells Windows to check the Copilot app and fix any issues with its installation files without removing your app data. In many cases, this is enough to restore missing functionality, including icons that are not showing correctly. Once you've clicked Repair, give Windows a little time to complete the process. After that, you can reopen the app or check the apps where the Copilot icon was missing to see if it has returned. If needed, you can also restart your computer afterward to help Windows refresh everything properly. And that's how to fix the Microsoft Copilot icon missing in apps.